Document Extractor is a top-of-the-line Salesforce to SharePoint integration that will not increase your operating costs. I'm Maurer, Chief Operating Officer at Connecting Software. My responsibility is to maximize efficiency, procuring the right tools for the right job without compromising security. Such tools should present a return on investment that make business sense. Document Extractor does just this, securely transmitting documents from Salesforce, leveraging API calls, and placing them into SharePoint. It then replaces the Salesforce document with the URL pointing to the SharePoint file. This creates bidirectional collaboration possibilities, ensuring that if the file is edited in SharePoint, it reflects instantly inside of Salesforce. Migration of historical data is included in the pricing, and it also even supports community users. Furthermore, we can extract files up to the Salesforce limitation of 2 GB. However, you can get beyond this limit by placing the files directly in SharePoint, which then creates the link in Salesforce. Connecting Software also has deployed an application within iOS and Android to ensure that Document Extractor files in your Salesforce organization can be viewed in the Salesforce application of your respective platform. Since Document Extractor runs as a background service, it maintains the same loading times as a standalone Salesforce, compared to iframe solutions, which are embedded directly into the Salesforce. But why is this so important? Embedded solutions will also increase the loading times of every document that you open within your organization. Extra loading times lead to decreased efficiency and increased operating costs throughout your organization. Let's have a look at the side-by-side comparison between Document Extractor and an iframe solution, where the loading times of the iframe takes much longer to populate. With Document Extractor, your Salesforce experience goes unchanged, meaning that it's less training for your employees. Document Extractor is an enterprise-ready application which you can deploy in our SaaS or self-host it in your own environment. The solution is continuously maintained and our support staff is on hand whenever you need us. So offload your cloud storage today and ensure the efficiency of your Salesforce platform as if it was day one of launching it. Keep your CRM clean, leverage the benefits of having the files inside of SharePoint, such as versioning, maintain security, and ensure that your employees are operating efficiently. Connecting Software is a well-established entity, providing software solutions for over 20 years with headquarters in the US and in Europe. Trust and security are embedded in our DNA, so you can be rest assured that your privacy, your security, and your operational efficiency is at the top of our list. I hope you enjoy this video. If you find anything interesting, feel free to have a look in our website or book a meeting with us today.